guys, it's Mrs. Wolf, and today we're going to be celebrating Mother's and Father's Day. First, let me show you a picture of my mom and dad. There you go. This is my dad. This is Mike Petro. And this is my mom. This is Madeline Petro. And every year, my brothers and sisters and I would draw cards for them for Mother's and Father's Day. So I thought that might be a fun thing to do today with you. But these are special cards, and I'm going to show you why later. All right, the supplies that we're going to need for the project today are markers, 2 paper towels, and later on we are going to use a shallow dish, and this has water in it. All right? All right. We're going to make our cards first. What I'd like you to do is take one of your paper towels and fold it in half. All right? Then I want you to open it up like this. Put a blank piece of paper underneath it because you're going to be writing on this and I don't want to ruin your table. And we're going to be writing Happy Father's Day on this card. And let me show you an example. I've done one already for you. We've opened up the paper towel and I've written Happy Father's Day here. All right, we're going to put this one away to the side. We're going to do the same thing for Mother's Day. Again, take your paper towel, fold it in half, then open it up. And this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to write Happy Mother's Day. Now, after you've finished, we're going to put Mother's Day card aside. Alrighty. The next thing we are going to do in our card is we're going to draw a picture. But what are we going to draw it of? I'm going to tell you. What I want you to do is I want you to think of 3 different special occasions that you've spent with your mom and dad. 3 memories of mom and dad. All right, let's think of dad first, okay? I want you to go over to your pile of markers and I want you to pick out 3 colors that represent 3 special times that you've spent with your father. All right? I'm going to choose 3. And why I'm choosing, you choose. I'm going to choose yellow. I'm going to choose green and purple. All right? Now you're going to help me count my markers? All righty. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Well, let me tell you why I chose each color. For the first marker, I chose yellow. And I chose it because yellow reminds me of the sun, and the sun makes me really happy. And whenever I think about my dad, he puts a smile on my face, and I'm happy. Number 2, I chose green. And I chose green because my father taught me how to play golf. And golf is a sport that you play outside on the grass. So you hit the ball on the grass and you do a lot of walking all day long. And the third color that I chose was purple. And I chose it because my father taught me how to ride my first 2-wheeler bike. And you guessed it, it was the color purple. So those were my 3 colors. What were your 3 colors? And did you count along with me? That's great, great counting. All right, we're going to take those 3 colors that we chose for our father and we're going to put them to the side. Next, we're going to do the same thing for our Mother's Day memories. Think of 3, I want you to pick 3 colors that remind you of special times that you spent with your mom. And the colors I'm going to choose are yellow, blue, and orange. I want you to count along with me, okay? The first one I chose was yellow, number 1. Number 2, blue. And number 3, orange. Great job counting, everyone. Let me tell you why I chose these colors. I chose yellow for the same reason as I did with my Father's Day choice. It reminds me of the sun. And the sun makes me smile, and so does my mother. My second choice was blue, and I chose blue because every summer my mother would take my brothers and sisters and I to the swimming pool to play in the water all day long. And number 3, I chose because my mother taught me how to bake. And one of her special things to bake are pumpkin pies. So because the pumpkin is orange, I chose orange. All right, so let's take those markers and we're going to collect them and put them aside. Now comes the fun part. I want you to get your Father's Day card, place it on your table, and then open it up. Get a piece of paper and put it underneath the bottom of the card. So on this whole section, we are going to be drawing. So go and get the colors that you chose for your Father's Day card. Remember, I chose yellow, green, and purple. What were your choices? All right, so first I'm going to take off the cap of my marker, and I think I'm going to draw dots. I'm going to make a lot of dots, and these dots represent the rays of sun. Lots of sunshine on my paper, because my dad makes me smile all the time. Okay, I'm going to put that away. Next is my second color was green. So I'm going to make some lines on my paper. And these lines represent the blades of grass that Dad and I used to always walk on when we were playing golf. And the third color that I chose was purple. And I'm going to make 2 big circles. And these circles are going to represent the 2 tires on my bicycle. So 1 big circle. And another circle. I love my purple bike. There you go. That's my drawing. I can't wait to see your drawing. So now that I've finished with Dad's card, I'm going to fold it and put it to the side. We'll put Father's Day markers to the side also. Next, let's get Mom's card. We're going to get Mom's card, open it up, and now it's time to draw her something special with the 3 color markers that you chose for those special memories that you've had with her. Again, I'm going to choose yellow as my first marker. And again, I love the sun. And my mother reminds me of the nice bright sun that I see every day, and she makes me smile whenever I see her. So I'm going to do the yellow dots all over the paper. It's almost like it's raining sunshine, isn't it? Okay. The second color that I chose was blue. And this represents the water in the swimming pool. So I'm going to make waves. Let me try this. This is fun. Waves of the swimming pool. And my third color choice was orange. I'm going to make a big pumpkin. This is fun. Are you having as much fun as I am? I hope so. All right, so I finished my card. I'm going to close it up and I put it with my Father's Day card. All right, let me clear this area. Now, this is the fun part. On June 21st, what I want you to do is get your sink or your little shallow container, fill it with water. Okay. You're going to get Mom and Dad together, and you're going to say, Dad, I have something special for you. I made you a special card. And he's going to be so excited, but you're going to say, no, Dad, don't open it up yet. Don't open it up yet. We're going to do something special with this card. And so you're going to go over to the water, and he's going to lay it right into the water. And watch what happens. Look at that. Right in front of your eyes. Your picture that you drew magically appeared. I can see all the sun of the dots that I made. I see my big wheels and all the green grass. Isn't that cool? All right, let's take it out. We can go let it dry. Now it's Mom's turn. Mom, I know we already had a Mother's Day celebration, but you know what? You're going to have another one. This is just for you. And she's going to take it, and she's going to put it in the water also. Let's see what happens. Isn't that cool? I see all of my sunshine and the waves from the water, and of course that big pumpkin. Oh, I hope your mother is going to be so happy to see your wonderful drawing. I'm going to lay that down also. Well, I had a lot of fun with you today. Great memories I'm sure you have on your cards. You have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you again soon.